if you will address the symptom, if you will address the symptom, it's going to be a temporary solution and I hope you all appreciate and understand that. Yeah. I hope you appreciate and understand that. Right. Now, there are situations, even headache. Doctor tells you there's something called SOS. I hope you know in the prescription it is written, which is a symptomatic relief. That while I'm treating your infection, because of which you are having headache, you are having fever, and because of fever you are having headache, I'm treating infection. I'm giving you antibiotics, but it will take 3 days, 2 days, 1 day for it to start showing effect. In the meantime, if you have fever or if you have headache, you can take the symptomatic relief for the symptom by taking a paracetamol or a crocin branded, like we normally know, right? Now, let's take a situation that there is dampness in the wall. At your home, in your office, you see that there is dampness, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, सीलन है, दीवार में सीलन है, there is dampness in the wall. My question to you is dampness a problem or a symptom?
Symptom.
Symptom.
It's a symptom, right?
Symptom. Symptom.
We all understand it's a symptom, and I'm sure all of you would have experiences, would know it. Aap, no matter, there are so many advertisements that come, you put this putty, you put this solution, you put this, and the dampness will go away. But we have all understood and learned very, very clearly that dampness will never go unless you have reached to the source of the water, from where the water is seeping into the wall, and you close that water source. Yeah, Raj. Raj, you want to say something? Go ahead.
Sir, I was disconnected.
Okay.
So I've just rejoined किया हूँ. So I seen that you shown that there is a headache is a symptoms and the blood pressure is a problem. So उसमें sir, why headache is a symptoms and why blood pressure is a problem? Because initially blood pressure might be a symptoms, shows the symptoms, then it will be a problem. Like the vice versa, if the headache shows the symptoms and then might be after sometimes it will become a migraine and it will become a problem. So it is a vice versa. So why there is a symptoms and problems?
Very good, Raj. Would somebody want to take that question to answer? His question is that why are we saying that headache is a symptom and not a problem?
Because we actually try to find it out that headache is not a final problem. There could be a major or a deep impact on our body also, because we already knew that okay, there is a noise in a car, so we already know that it is just a noise, but there could be a big problem inside a car. So similar kind of things we already understood as a human being.
Yeah, Raj. Raj, are you there or are you there? See.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Even fever over a period of time. None of us is a medically qualified person, so we are all talking from experiences. We have all seen that even fever in itself is not a problem. It is the manifestation of some problem. You have this problem, वो अपना रूप दिखाता है फीवर के रूप में या सिरदर्द के रूप में. इसलिए सिरदर्द प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मान लीजिए आपकी आई साइट वीक है, ओके, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू आर गेटिंग हेडेक. आपको सिर में दर्द हो रहा है, यू कैन टेक अ मेडिसिन एंड योर हेडेक विल गो. बट विल इट गो? इट्स ओनली बीइंग सबसाइडेड. कल फिर आप अगर कंप्यूटर पे बैठे होंगे या ड्राइविंग कर रहे होंगे, अगेन यू विल गेट हेडेक. अनलेस एंड अनटिल go to an optician and get your eyes tested and start wearing specs as prescribed by him, your headache will not go. That is the reason we are saying that headache in itself is only a symptom. It is not a problem. right? We were taking another example. I don't know whether you had joined by then or not. We were saying dampness in the wall. Is it a symptom or it is a problem? And all of us had agreed it's a symptom. And then I was explaining that unless you go to the root cause, and now I'm using this word, unless and until you go to the root cause, where is the water seeping in from? आपने देखा होगा societies वगैरह में आपके kitchen में या bathroom में सीलन होती है, you have to go to the floor above your request them and you have to get their floor repaired. Only then your dampness in the wall will go away. Now clearly, therefore, by this logic, by this understanding, dampness is a symptom and the leakage in the higher floors toilet or kitchen is the problem. Sometime it could be coming from top 3 floors. So you'll have to keep going. ऊपर वाले floor में वो कह रहे मेरे यहाँ तो खुद ही बहुत dampness है, देखो मेरी छत पे. Then you go to the next floor. Then you go to the next floor until you find the, in a manner of saying, the culprit, bathroom where the seepage is. You set that right, and all the 3 floors which were getting dampness will get okay, because you have now reached the root cause of the problem. So is the problem, symptom and root cause clear by and large to all of us? We will be working on it a little bit more, but by and large, is it